All right, guys. So this is Eric with Six Figure RV Lifestyle, and some of y'all are already subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you are a full-time RVer, or if you're looking to maybe get you an RV or a camper, or maybe you're just looking for some kind of extra income stream, you stumbled on this video. This channel is actually dedicated to RVers, full-time RVers like myself. Maybe you have a family. And you have dreams to actually travel the country, but you're just needing to find maybe a little bit more of an income stream to help you do that. Some of you are limited to where you can travel because you got jobs that kind of keep you confined. I know what that's like. I was an electrician for 19 years, and basically it kind of kept me confined to the Atlanta area. Well, back in 2013, beginning of 2014, I stumbled on an income stream that actually enabled me to be able to make multiple six figures every single year, and basically live the life of my dreams, live the life on my terms. So I've been out teaching others. I've got literally thousands and thousands of students that I have taught to live this same lifestyle, and I'm going to teach you the same way through this channel. So make sure that you subscribe. So today we're going to talk about basically I got 5 different things that I have done, that I have tried, that I've actually made some real income from, okay? And we're also going to talk about the number one thing that I made income from, and we're going to go more into detail in that. I'm also going to show you some income proof in some of my other videos, so make sure you do subscribe. Make sure you get the notifications, because I'm going to show you the actual websites and my dashboard, so you can actually see the income that I am making, and I'm going to verify it and back it up to you, okay? So one way that we make money is through what's called affiliate marketing, okay? And that's basically when you sell other people's products and you make a commission. Amazon has a very good one that is called Amazon Associate. It's a free account. All you got to have is a computer. You sign up, you give them your bank account information, so they can basically not take your money, but give you money, commission, every time that you actually sell one of their products. And the cool thing about it is, say, I made, my first time I tried it, actually, I made 2 posts in an electrical group. I was just promoting a product that I had used, and I just told the people, hey guys, this is some lights that I have used before. I made 2 posts, and I made $148 in commissions just off those 2 posts in that group. It wasn't spammy. I was just recommending some products that I use. And Amazon paid me, I think it depends on what the category, what kind of products. I think health and beauty, jewelry, and different ones, they pay more commission depending on what you sell. And I made $148 off those 2 posts. So it's just a certain, it's not a crazy amount of commission. But the cool thing is say if I promote a product and somebody clicks the link and say they do not buy that particular thing that I promoted, if they go out and they buy a $1,000 TV, you get 5, 6, 7% of that commission of that $1,000 TV, and whatever they buy within a 24-hour period. So your actual affiliate link is actually tracked, and it's actually in their history and cookie to them, that they may not even buy that product that you promoted, but they may have bought something totally different, and you actually get the commission from it. So super easy, and I'm gonna have some more training, especially on that, in some later videos. But that's just one way that we make money. Another way that we make money is through our Etsy store. I actually build farmhouse lighting. I also drop ship farmhouse lighting through other suppliers, and basically I just put products within my Etsy store, just simple household made items. Specifically for me, it's as I used to be an electrician, it's specifically farmhouse style lighting, mason jar lights. So if there's anything that you're passionate about, if you're good at arts and crafts, or maybe find something that you can easily make, just open up the Etsy store. It's free. You just starting up an account with an email, and just start putting products on there. Eventually people will start buying. One thing that's really important is go after the reviews. Reviews go a long ways in selling anything these days. I mean, you think about going on Amazon, if you shop on Etsy, first thing people are looking for are reviews. Okay, another thing I just kind of mentioned is drop shipping. There's websites like Aliexpress and Alibaba and different websites that you can actually drop ship. You promote on, say, Facebook or YouTube. People buy the products, you got their address, they actually pay you directly, and you go over here and you put their address and their shipping information, you ship the product directly to them. I've done that with rings, I've done that with tumblers, I've done that with bracelets, all kind of things that you can do that with. You get the product super cheap, but you can turn around and sell it and actually make a pretty decent profit of it. For example, I've sold tungsten rings. This is actually silicone, but I've sold tungsten rings where you can get them laser etched, whatever you want. I actually buy it for $17, $15, sometimes even a couple bucks, but I turn around and sell it for 40, 45, 50 bucks, and I made a $20, $30 profit off each ring that I sold. And all I'm doing is taking their information. I've got paid in my PayPal account. I made the profit. I made the money. I come over here to this other website, put their shipping information in there, and I paid, you know, 5, 10, 15 bucks, but I've kept the profit side. So that's another way I made literally over $100,000 doing that. Okay. Another thing that you can actually do that I've just started looking into is actually selling books from Goodwill. Okay, you can buy these books sometimes half price. They have half price sales, but usually they're about anywhere from $1.50 to $2.50, hardback, paperback. You can actually, there's tools and scanners that you can use, that you can go to Goodwill, go to book sales, and you can scan books and find out how much they're selling for on Amazon. And basically you can ship those books to Amazon, or you can ship directly to the customer, and it's basically called arbitrage. Okay, and you can do that with multiple products. But there's actually people making 6 figures a year just selling used books that they found on Amazon in Goodwill, and they sell it on Amazon. And that goes with anything, any clearance items in Home Depot, any clearance items in Target and Walmart. There's actually scanner apps that you can scan and see the profit automatically what you can make from Amazon. So that's called arbitrage, and we'll have more information on that. Now, the number one way that I have made literally almost $1 million in sales and probably over $500,000 in profit, okay, just in my spare time. I was even doing this while I was an electrician, okay? And all you need is a laptop. You don't need to own a website. You don't need to own hosting. You don't need inventory. All this stuff you don't need to hold inventory unless you're selling books. You got to get the books and ship them out. But my number one best method is because I don't handle customer support. I don't pick up the phone. I'm not harassing anybody. Is selling T-shirts. Okay, and there's websites that I use, and I'm gonna share with you in some other videos. I've also got a course that I've already made. It goes from A to Z. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and put it just below this video. It teaches you A to Z how to come up with T-shirt ideas, that you don't have to design them, but you can actually pay somebody else to design the T-shirts. But other companies, they handle the printing, they handle the shipping, they handle customer support. All you do is promote the link that they give you. I promote it on Facebook, and again, that's all in the course because I can't cover everything on this video. But I'll go through some things. I'm gonna give y'all a lot of free value and teach y'all some of the methods that I've been using since 2013 to create a very nice multiple 6-figure income stream that has allowed my family to be able to take long vacations, and just pretty much our whole life is a vacation. Okay, so as I said, just I'll subscribe, like, comment, share. If you got any questions about anything, about some of these 5 ways that I just shared with you, then please let me know what questions you have. Like I said, I'm going to go in further detail. This is actually my second video on this channel. I'm going to go in detail on each one of these methods, and I'm going to teach you exactly what I've been doing. And here's the thing, guys. If somebody else is out there making multiple 6 figures, why can't you? Okay, what makes you different than me? Some of y'all may have internet challenges. You know, you may need to get a jetpack or a Wi-Fi booster or something like that to make sure you got internet. But here's the thing: there's Starbucks, there's McDonald's, there's places that have Wi-Fi. There's no excuse, really no excuse. Okay, sometimes you just got to make it work. Okay, if you have dreams to actually be able to travel across the country and not be tied down to a certain place and a certain job, guys, there's all kind of ways out there to do it. I've told you affiliate marketing, there's Etsy stores, there's drop shipping, they're selling T-shirts, which is one of my one ways that I've been making money. There is selling used books. There's just all kind of ways that you can make money, and really the sky is the limit. But here's what I want you to do is find one of these things, okay? The thing that I focused on was basically selling T-shirts, okay? And I focused on that, and that has been my breadwinner. That's where I made over like I said, over $500,000 in profit just selling t-shirts. Because somebody else, you know, I don't want to talk on the phone. I don't want to have a website. I use somebody else's website. They handle customer support, shipping. They print the product, and I just collect the profit. I promote it on Facebook. I do pay for ads, but like I said, I'll have a course, you know, all that information just below this video to where you can buy the course super cheap. Usually I sell it for $497. But to all my subscribers and everybody on this channel, if you're a full-time RVer, hopefully if you found this channel, you are a full-time RVer and you're looking for that full-time income, I'm going to greatly discount the course for you to get. So again, thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, share. We're going to constantly, almost every day, we're going to be putting more and more videos on how you can make a six-figure RV lifestyle from your RV. You know the cliche, make money working from home. Well, this is making money working from your RV anywhere around the country. So guys, thanks for watching, and make your dreams come true. Have a good day.